Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Class 9th Subject Physics Chapter number 5. We will solve problems today, and last day we have solved two problems. Similarly, the other problems will be solved by some special formulas. So the formulas of the chapter number 5 is okay here. These are the some important formulas of chapter number 5. Now let's start with the numerical problem, and we will start with the problem number 3. Here is the statement of the problem number 3. Find the acceleration due to the gravity on the surface of the Mars. The mass of the Mars is 6.42 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 kilogram, and its radius is 3370 kilometer. We have to find the acceleration due to the gravity. So according to the statement, the given data is mass of the Mars, ms mm is equal to 6.42 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 kilogram. Okay, now the radius of the Mars, rm, radius of the Mars, that is equal to 3370 kilometer. First we have to change it into a scientific form, then it can be replaced like this. Here the point is here, and when we take a point here, then between the three digits, between the point there are three digits, so it can be written in the form of 10 to the power 3. So 37 multiplied 10 to the power 3, and kilo is also equal to the 10 to the power 3 meters. So base is same, power can be added. So the scientific form of this is 10 to the power 6 meter. That is the radius of Mars. So that we know that the gravitational acceleration we have to find, gm we have to find. We have to find, and that is equal to gm. Everybody knows that the capital constant g value is 6.673 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11 nm to per kilogram. Okay, now we know that the formula for the gm is known. That formula is that is equal to gmm over r square. Now we will put the values here. gm we have to find, and capital G values is 6.673 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11 multiplied mass of Earth, that is equal to 6.42 multiplied by 10 to the power 23, and that is divided by r square, that is equal to 3.37 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 whole ka square. Okay, now first we can solve the tens powers. First we take a multiplication of both these values, and the bases are same, so power will be added. So multiplication of these two values is, by using calculator, 42.84066 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11 plus 23, and here the square of this value 11.3569 multiplied by 10 की power 12. 6 power 2 is 12. Okay, so when we take this power to the upstairs, it will be in the negative form, and these values will be divided, and by dividing these values the answer will be 3.7722 multiplied by 10 की power here 23 में 23 subtracted 11, that is equal to 12 multiplied by here. When we take it to the upstairs, the values positive will be changed into the negative. So 3.7272 multiplied by 10 की power plus 12 minus 12 here 3.7722 10 की power 0. We know that when someone's powers is 0, that is equal to 1. Clear? Okay, now 3.7722 multiplied by 1. So answer will become 3.77 meter per second square. That is the value of gravitational acceleration. Here this is our numerical. The next numerical is for the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon is 1.62 meter per second square. The radius of the moon is 1740 kilometer. Find the mass of moon. Now we have to find the mass of moon. So the given data is here. The given data is gravitational acceleration on the moon in gm is equal to 1.62 meter per second square. Radius of the moon is 1740 kilometer, and we will convert it into the scientific form as we done in the previous. So 1.74 multiplied by 10 to power 3, because point we take point from here to here, then 10 power will be positive form in 3. So kilo is also 10 to power 3 meter. So it can be written in the form 14 10 to power 6 meter. Here that is the radius of moon. So we have to find the mass of moon, mm we have to find. So the formula we know that formula is mm is equal to rm square multiplied by gm over g. In the first numerical we have used formula, and rearranging the formula it can be found in this form. So now by putting values, mm we have to find. Okay, rm we know that 1.74 multiplied by 10 की power 6 square multiplied by g value is 1.62 meter per second square. Okay, now it will be divided with the capital G, and capital G values we know that 6.6. Here the value of G is 6.673 multiplied by 10 की power minus 11. Okay, now taking first square of this value and by using calculator, the answer will be 3.0276 multiplied by 10 की power 12 multiplied by 1.62 and divided by 6.673 multiplied by 10 की power minus 11. Okay, first of all we will multiply both values and divided by this. The answer will be 0.735 multiplied by 10 की power 12 and multiplied by 10 की power, when it comes to upstairs it will be in positive form, so plus 11. So answer will be a 7.35. we take point from this to this, the answer in the answer we will add -1 10 power. When we take a point from left to right, the in the tens power will be a negative form. Okay, so 10 11 bases are same, so power will be added. 12 -1 11, so 7 point multiplied by 10 की power kilogram. That is the answer. Okay.